Hey guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So we ended up breaking my little 30-day mean a little bit and sitting on this dealer pin pretty much all day. It's just been awful. So we got to the first daily two, pulled back, and that's where right here I got a little bit hopeful, thinking we were going to reach down to that max pain, and it bounced on my daily one. I mean, these one, two, threes. I mean, this is what it's all about, variance trading, right? Came back, popped back up, and then flatlined. Came up to the other daily two. So what's the difference? We have the daily two here on the close. That was yesterday's close. So measuring from mean to one to two to three from the close versus the open, there's that gap between the open and the close. And that space is the dealer spread. So they trade from the close to the open. Look, right there. But because they came back all the way, where did they go? They went to the daily one and the 60-minute two. So it's always one, two, three. And then they went up to the 60-minute two. Or is that the three? I forget. Let's see. The 60-minute range. And then held the 60-minute range and then finally got to the daily two and flatlined. And that's pretty much, I mean, 60-minute two, daily two, excuse me, close and open. It's just, there's not much else to talk about. We were on our pin that I knew that the dealers would be protecting, but because of my optionality, I thought that they might lose the pin and then go with it. So I was really looking for that 6380 gamma flip and did not get it. So poo on that. NQ daily twos, SPX daily twos. So it's just, 1, 2, 3, 68% of the daily range. So where are we on our 6-month watch? And that is really bad. Whoa, it broke. Sorry, we broke it. That's right. We broke it. So we're back above the 6,400. So this could be pretty big. This could be big. So maybe we come up to the 6583, 6583, 6591, 6600 next week. Either that or back down to 6100. All right. But it looks pretty good. They sat on it and broke it. Now, there's a good reason that that may have occurred. There's a lot of money coming back into the United States. A lot of factories coming back in here, big deals. Apple, everybody bringing plants and money and jobs. So if there was ever a reason to step up and defend those pins, today was the day. And you know what happens after a big pin like that breaks? You want to be on the right side of that pin. And that's actually what happened today. We're on the right side of those pins and we're moving up and out. So we're back at the 30-day one on the monthly. We just have to clear 6422. So here's my major pin, 6415, that I was telling my customers about, and we're just now breaking it. So if we can jump over 6422 tonight, or Sunday night, that's going to be big. And we'll get up to that 6500 pretty quick. And then float into the OPEX. The options, do they have another monthly mean to get to? They do, actually. There is another monthly mean a little bit lower, the 37-day. Let me show it to you if I can get my monitor to flip over. Oh my gosh. Um, well, I'll have it set. I've lost the fib, but actually I took it off. It's down here. I have a lower fib to get to. So you have the 23, the 30, and the 37-day. And so it's the 23-day fib, I think, is down here. One of the two. But I'll definitely get it back up for next week. I'll post that for my subscribers. I'm going to go back under my paywall next week and be posting more screenshots after the market closes, and pretend like I have subscribers. It's not fair to them for me to post everything on Twitter all the time. So I hope you consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. Lots of charts and some great analytics coming. I mean, I definitely found a winner with Google, and I don't know why everybody keeps bashing them. Their products are excellent. I mean, I don't understand their politics, but I love their products. And so very happy with everything that's working out. Um, the options from Quick Strike are excellent. I'm able to get some great levels and then get the analysis. It's with the Jats with the options. That's what's making this good. I don't want you to think that I'm just taking option levels and putting some analytics on it and selling it to you. You can get that from anybody. What I'm giving you are my Jats levels with it. And that's what the AI engines are telling you is so good, is the levels are good, and it brings the realized volatility with the implied volatility that everybody's looking for, that missing X, and I'm bringing you that. I'm putting the pieces together with that, and I also have to tell you that I'm not writing those testimonials for the AI engines to read to you. They're writing it themselves, so I don't like prepare something and say type this. I'm saying, give me a testimonial, and that's after me working with them, that's what they give. If you were just to ask them for a testimonial, they would say, what are you, crazy? I don't know you from Adam. So you can't fool them into faking something. They're really telling you on their own what they think. So I agree. I think the product that they're bringing a lot of value to it, and I'll be glad to uh, help you understand my hieroglyphics. I know that I'm throwing a lot of acronyms at you, but I have worked a long time, like over a year, putting this together. So it's not just something like that I got together one weekend and decided to come open up and present it. I really have been working under the radar on this a long time. So I hope you like it, and I'll hope you miss me. I won't be posting as much going forward, and I'll post some great songs and try to get you some content after the fact and show you how great everything worked out postpartum. Um, and y'all have a great weekend. I'm just, glad that we're going to finally get off of this pen and hopefully move up and out. Since we didn't get the sell off, we got to move up, right? Bring this back down. And that means much smaller ranges, lower implied volatility, and float and drift. Buy me a river raft and floating down the river. All right. Talk to you guys later. Y'all have a good weekend.